Hello everyone, welcome back to the video series of Learn German Lessons. I have been noticing that some of you are facing problems in your basic introduction in German. So I think this video will help you out with that. Also, if you are struggling with learning German, you can click on the I button and watch our video on 5 tricks of learning German faster and easier. So let's begin with the introduction. Sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen. Ich heiße Sanya. Ich heiße Sanya. Or you can say Ich bin Sanya. Ich bin Sanya. Both have the same meanings. Now, if you want to tell your first name and your last name, you can say Mein Vorname ist Sanya or Mein Nachname ist Ahuja. Or you can simply say Mein Name ist Sanya Ahuja. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. You can replace Indian from your own country. You can see another video for the names of the countries and the cities. Ich wohne in Delhi. Ich wohne in Delhi. In this, you have to tell the name of your city. Ich spreche Hindi, English und Deutsch. Ich spreche Hindi, English und Deutsch. If you are a student, you say Ich bin Student. Ich bin Student. But if you are a female, you say Ich bin Studentin. Ich bin Studentin. And if you are talking about your profession, you would say Ich bin Lehrer. Ich bin Lehrer. Or if you are a female, you would say Ich bin Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin. I shall post in my another video the names of all the professions. So next is your marital status. If you are unmarried or single, you say Ich bin ledig. Ich bin ledig. Or if you are married, you say Ich bin verheiratet. Ich bin verheiratet. If you have kids, you would say Ich habe zwei Kinder. Ich habe zwei Kinder. Or if you don't have any kids, you would say Ich habe keine Kinder. Ich habe keine Kinder. If you are telling someone your age, then you would say Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Or you can also say Ich bin 21. If you don't know how to form compound numbers, you can click on the I button above and watch our video on numbers. Now, if you want to tell someone about your hobbies, you say Meine Hobbys sind Reisen und Kochen. Meine Hobbys sind Reisen und Kochen. You can replace these with your own hobbies. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and share it further. Also subscribe us and click the bell icon to get quick updates from our channel. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box or you can email us. The email ID is given in the description box. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.